What's up, guys? It's Coco from Coco DIYs. I have been having a day today, so the project that I was gonna do this beautiful Sunday afternoon is not gonna happen. So I've been having car issues. So today I am going to keep it simple and do I got this new floor mat for my porch. So I'm just going to put a little something on there and yeah, do that. That's gonna be my DIY for today because I am kind of stressed out over my car troubles. I'm sure many of you can relate. So we're just gonna do that today and then hopefully get back into like the resin and wreath stuff, but right now I can't drive anywhere to go get the supplies that I need, so gonna have to make do. Sometimes that just happens. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video and let's get into it. This sign has like little holes right here, so I want to kind of cover up these holes. So I cover up the holes on the back so that way the holes, I guess I'll cover it up the back and the front. Just using a little piece of duct tape to fill in the holes so that way they don't fill in that hole. The paint doesn't get through the holes. So just want to make sure that you have this directly in the middle. And then you always want to do this in a well ventilated area. And I'm outside on my balcony. They're very limited in what I can do because my HOA be tripping y'all. But if you guys have an HOA, know that HOA life, trust, it's hard. But I'm just gonna eyeball it. I really don't think it's that hard to find the middle. Okay, that was me. How about this? Why don't you tape off the area that you want to paint? Step one. Then do all the other steps I just showed you. Okay, so I got a few hours to dry. Kinda wanna see how this looks. Oh, it looks cute. Oh. So that's awesome. And think about it, this is kind of pre-painted for any other DIY project I want to do. So, bonus. My only issue is it's kind of blood over here, and some of the spray off is kind of weird right here, but I think if I can go around and make some kind of design. Still trying to figure that part out, but I think so far it's really cute-ish. Okay, so this is how the rug turned out. I'm happy with it. It looks really cool, but it's a lot more black than I wanted it to be. So I might go over the big black area with another coat, but overall I think it was a good first try. Obviously it's unique, and yeah, I'm happy with it so far for my first time. So let me know what you guys think, and I will catch you guys next time.